The first task on your apprentice training program is installing an outlet. We're going to go through this list pretty carefully. You guys will all get the video so you can rewind and take a look later. And these are things that your trainer is going to be teaching, practicing, and you'll be mastering these things. So the first item is installing a 15 amp receptacle. The second one is installing a 20 amp receptacle. The main thing here is like identifying which is which. Can you guys tell me which one this one is?
15.
Good. This one.
20.
Yeah. The main difference here